The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 Silverado HD pickup truck with an in-bed track. So this track here is from RockyMounts, and this track here is actually a custom fit. So there is a vehicle-specific application for the standard Silverado, not the HD. The standard one will actually utilize factory-installed connection points that are used for the tie downs. However, this does not have that fitment. So what we had to do is take RockyMounts custom 60-inch track, and we've actually installed it right onto the bulkhead, if you will, of the bed. So it's a real clean installation. The track does come with some mounting hardware. However, we opted for a little nicer method. We drill the holes in place. So there's 5 holes for this track. See one there on the left, right there, one in the middle, and the same on the other side. But we actually installed were riv nuts. So those, you drill the hole and then you basically install threaded connection points. So now this is actually bolted to the bed versus onto the bed. So when you take it off, you have those little connection points left behind versus just, 5 random holes. So little nicer, cleaner install, we feel. But the track does come with hardware that you can use. So once you have this installed, you can add on a variety of RockyMounts accessories. Well, that's a little overstated maybe. So they have the new drop top, which is the through axle bike mount that mounts directly into this track. Make sure you subscribe so you can check out the next video with that mount installed. And of course, the track low ball is a great option for your standard quick release bikes. And a little tip here, this mounting track comes with some mounting plates already included, at the time of this video at least. So instead of purchasing the low ball track, which is a little bit more expensive because it comes with track hardware, you can actually get the locking low ball or the standard low ball and then use the extra hardware that came with this to mount your accessories. So that's a good way to save some money. The locking low ball, or the track low ball, excuse me, is great if you already have pre-existing tracks. For example, like the Tacoma or some GMC and Dodge vehicles have that. So this is just the quick video on this track so you can see what that looks like. Again, it's a really clean installation with nothing installed. Can't even notice it's there. So again, make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos with the actual mounts included. And like always, thanks for watching.